Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be making our first circuit in tinkercad. So just wanted to tell you that we'll be doing both EV3 and tinkercad. So just let's start. So first we are going to take a 9-volt battery and a breadboard, small, and LED bulbs. And resistors. So it's up to you how many LEDs you want. So we are going to take 3 in this video, and let me just change the color of these LEDs so it looks good. And next what you have to do is take the positive one and connect it in the plus in the breadboard, and take the negative one and connect it in the minus. Next you have to connect a resistor from the cathode of the LED bulb to the negative of the breadboard, and from the anode to the positive of the breadboard, and same with others also. Cathode will go in negative and anode will go in positive. Okay, now let's run the simulation. See how beautiful it looks. So thank you for watching.